Hand dyeing fabric is a wonderful way to bring a personal touch to your wardrobe. Wardrobe. It transforms a simple piece of cloth into a unique work of art. Among the many beautiful dyeing traditions around the world, Adire holds a special place. Adire is an indigo dyed cloth made by the Yoruba people of southwestern Nigeria. The word itself means to tie and dye, which perfectly describes the resist dyeing technique used to create its stunning patterns. This craft has been passed down through generations, primarily by women, who have perfected the methods for creating intricate and meaningful designs. It's a simple process with truly elegant results. The beauty of Adire lies in its rich history and the stories woven into each pattern. Traditionally, the dye was sourced from the indigo plant, which produces a deep, captivating blue. This color was not just for decoration, representing wealth and abundance. The patterns themselves often have names and meanings, referencing proverbs, historical events, and the natural world. To begin your own Adire project, you will need a few essential materials. The most important is, of course, the fabric. Natural fibers like 100% cotton, linen, silk work best as they absorb the dye beautifully, resulting in rich, even color. You will also need a dye kit. While traditional Adire uses natural indigo, modern fiber reactive dyes are an excellent and accessible choice for beginners, offering a wide spectrum of vibrant colors. These dyes form a permanent bond with the fabric, ensuring your creations remain bright and beautiful through many washes. Beyond the fabric and dye, you will need some basic household items. A large plastic bucket or tub will serve as your dye bath. You will also need rubber gloves to protect your hands, as the dye will stain skin very effectively. For tying, you'll use string, raffia, or rubber bands. The heart of the Adire technique lies in the tying, which is the resist part of the process. Wherever you tie, fold, or bind the fabric, the dye will be blocked, creating your pattern. One of the simplest methods is creating stripes. Lay your fabric flat, fold it like an accordion into neat, even pleats. The width of your pleats will determine the width of your stripes. Tie it tightly with string at regular intervals. Another popular technique creates concentric circles. Pinch a small section where you want a circle. Pull it up into a cone. Wrap bands tightly, starting near the tip and working down. Add multiple bands to make rings within your circle. For an organic look, try the crumple technique. It's the easiest and most unpredictable. Scrunch it into a tight, compact ball. Don't fold neatly, aim for random creases. Secure with bands, wrapping all over to make a web. You can add small objects for unique shapes. Place a stone and tie it off. Try geometric folds for structured patterns. Wearing gloves, gently submerge your tied fabric into the dye bath. Press down so they're fully saturated. Watch for trapped air bubbles. Let the fabric soak for 30 minutes to several hours. For deeper color, a longer soak is better. Gently agitate the fabric to help dye penetrate. After soaking, remove your fabric from the dye. Gently squeeze out excess liquid. Do not untie the fabric yet. Rinse under cool, running water. Continue until the water runs clear. Wrap in plastic to keep damp. Let cure for 12 to 24 hours in a warm place. After curing, the grand reveal begins. While rinsing, carefully remove the ties. As you unfold, the crisp patterns emerge. It's magical watching your design come to life. Give one final rinse. Wash in hot water with detergent. Dry in the dryer or hang on a line. Your finished Adire is ready to be admired and used.